Why are you so passionate about Nigeria and Africa?
I think because every one of us must choose what side of history we want to be on. The part of why I wrote that book was that I think there's a generation that is not benefiting from the gift of history. History is a gift that gives you a clear sense that I've come from somewhere. And the lack of history means that lions, or children of lions, begin to behave like cats. So they are mewing instead of roaring.
When you get home, what do you like to eat?
Kamala. So every time I watch people criticizing Amala, preferring Amala, that I didn't do anything to you people. Just leave Amala alone. It's the best thing since sliced bread. As they're giving me that applause, that stand innovation, whatever it is, I want them to not mistake my identity. I want them to be able to say, oh, he's from Nigeria. People tease me all the time. People say, why do you wear red and white? And I ask them, what's the name of the company I founded? They said, I said, that's why. I carry my business on my head.
Right.
What are you carrying on your head?